Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are diving into a super effective way to make money online: Amazon affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So, if you're looking for an easy way to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products, Pinterest is an amazing platform to drive traffic and sales. So, whether you're new to affiliate marketing or a Pinterest, I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. So, here you need to have the three websites, which is the Canva, the Pinterest, and then the Amazon. So the first thing first is to promote products from Amazon. You need to join the Amazon Associate program. So let me show you how. So head over to affiliateprogram.amazon.com and sign up. So it's a free to join and the process is simple. You will need to enter basic information about yourself and then your website or the social media platforms. So, and then for Pinterest, you can explain that you will be using Pinterest to share affiliate links. So, here guys, you need to sign in for your account. So, you can either sign in through email or mobile phone number, and if you don't have one, you can create your Amazon account. So, you just need to tap on this bottom part wherein you will be able to read that new to Amazon and then create your Amazon account. So you just need to tap on that one, and then after that one is once you are approved, you will have an access to Amazon's vast library of products, and then you can promote and earn commission from that. So after that one is the switching to Pinterest business account. So now let's go on this part. So you will be able to see here the step on the signing in on your Amazon account. So here you'll be able to see here the mobile app list and then start using Associate Central. So you just need to complete that step, and then after that one you will be able to see this one. And then what you need to do here is to go on this part. So you just need to go here, and then you will be able to see the products that you will be posting it on your Pinterest. So here, this is a dashboard of the of the Amazon right after you created your account. So what you need to do here is to go to this all, and then you will be able to see here the different products, the categories. For example, is a digital content or the electronics, computers, smart home, art, crafts, and in the baby, beauty, and personal care. So for example, to that is this personal care, and we are focusing on the hair care. So we are going to tap on that one, and then you'll be able to see the results. So check each product page for other buying options. So for example, to that one is we will be choosing this one, this castor oil. So you need to do here is to double check the product that you will be going to use. So here, as you can see here, this is the product, and what you need to do here is you're going to save the image and then go to your Pinterest. As you can see here, this is the website of the Pinterest. So what you need to do here next is to go to this page, the Canva. So this is the website that we will be using to edit our product. So as you can see here, I am searching the template Pinterest so that I can use the template of others. So credits to the owner. So I will be using this one, and then the pictures from the Amazon is I am going to transfer it here. So you just need to have some editing skills or just a simple edit, but the important one is you completed this step. So here I am going to save this picture, and then I am going to paste it on the other website, which is here. So here is the finished product of what I have edited. So after this one is I just need to save this one. So tap on that download button and then save. So make sure guys that you are choosing the file PNG. So that is the high resolution image, and then after that one is go to your Pinterest profile and then click the settings. And then after that one is down to your account settings. If you have a personal account, click on Convert to Business Account. So fill in your business details and pick a niche category that fits your affiliate focus like shopping or e-commerce. But as you can see here, you just need to tap on that upgrade. And now you need to describe your business. Select the best description of your business. If more than one option applies, select your primary objective. So here, online merchant. And then here, you need to tell them about your business in order for you to have recommendations based on your information. And then here, the business name, the country, region, and then your website. And then you can either choose here. If you don't have a website, you just need to mark that box, a check. So tap on that box. So for example, that is this one, and then tap on that next. And then here, you need to answer some questions about few more details. So after that one is, on this part is now you'll be uploading the file or the picture that you've edited on the Canva. So here, before you add a title, you need to add the file or drag this picture on the website Pinterest. So here, as you can see here, it is now been seen, and then now you will be adding the title. So what is the title of your product? For example, so that one is the best organic castor oil in 2024. And then especially guys, don't forget to put a description. So you can either add the description by the product on the Amazon. You can choose to copy and paste it. So here is the link. So let's go back to the Amazon guys, and then you will be able to see this one, get link. So this product, so here if they will be tapping the link guys, they will be directed to this page. So you can either choose a short link or a full link. So as you can see here, after that one is you just need to put that link here, and then here choose a board. So you can choose a board here, or you can create a board. And then especially guys, it is important to put a tag guys, so in order to be more easily identified. So for example, that is the eyebrows, because this castor oil is connected to the eyebrows. And then right after that one, don't forget to add a description. So I just need to copy this short one, so for have a information about the product. So after that one, you just need to paste that one, and then after you completed it, you just need to publish it. And here you'll be able to see the button publish, and that's how you use the Pinterest and Amazon for affiliate marketing. If you learned something in this video, please subscribe and like. So as you can see here, it is now finished, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Tap that one. Bye!